Welcome. In this video I will show you the loudest speaker level of VIVO V21 5G. I will measure the sound level with this decibel meter, and the device I will set right now to the maximum volume level. As you can see, I set it up, and it means that these values on the screen will change only when this device registers a higher volume level than the previous one. And if you want to check volume level of different speakers in other smartphones, you can make it by opening description and going to our website. So let's start right now. Okay, so as you can see, VIVO V21 5G speaker reached 114.1 decibels. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.